Heart Meridian, because we already been go through the stomach, spleen, and now it's going to be the heart meridian. This is the most short meridian, but so many problems. Why we're learning meridians and organal meridian? Because, like I said, sometimes people have that sensitive area. You touch it, you think it's a muscle, or you feel it's like inflammation, but it's not. It's something. It's an energy flow, and this energy flow can be blocked. And all those points, I know it's hard to remember all of them, but if you constantly repeat that, you will find out. Or let's say you touch the elbow. Remember this elbow, always sensitive people like, and this is actually heart meridian. So that's why you next time if you touch the elbow and it's going to be painful, you will might work on that the heart meridian. Okay, so heart meridian. Heart meridian, element of fire. We know we got these 5 elements. So the heart is a fire. It's a in yin and yang. It's a yin. It's a yin. Yin and yang. Yin. The parent organ, small intestines. So every time digestive problems could be related with the heart problems. Time to heal that kind of people with a problem is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So association emotion, it's a joy, a lack of joy, emotional shutdown, and sadness. When you see the people come in, they sad, that emotional shutdown, you could be work on that heart meridian, okay? And it's really easy. It's super short meridian. We're going to get there on a minute. The color, of course, red. Red. And the season is the summer. So heart meridian pathway. So it starts on your armpit, where the heart is. Let me show you this right here. And it's come right on that medium part of your arm. On the side, this is important points, always pay attention. It's come all the way down and it's finished on your pinky. So on that finger, on the top of the finger. And this is one of the pressure points, that pinky. Yeah, I saw the magic. I saw the guys touch the pinky and like hold it pinky, and the lady get like relaxed and she feel the pain going away. So all those points is important. It's just not just like someone creating, and they use it for the purpose. So if I get any idea, I'll get this in a minute. I will probably work on that meridian, and you start from top and go down all the time. So you're tapping. Like I said, 3-4 times. You can hold those points, and that could be it. Key function of the heart meridian. It's govern blood and control the vessels, houses of the mind. It says in China, related to consciousness, related to good sleep, good memory, and thoughts. So ask those questions to people sometimes. Hey, how do you sleep? How's your memory? Oh, my memory is poor. Let's work on that. Work on that meridian and see, and ask him next time. Do you feel better? Did you sleep better? Oh yeah, after your session I sleep better. Oh, okay. And you did soap notes. You write this down. I work on that heart meridian, and it's always good. It's always good to work on those meridians. Okay, opens into the tongue. So our tongue related to our heart. That's very important to see what you guys saying and how we're saying that. If we're always angry, if we always just talk, it's related to our heart. And if we lie, if we hate, it's also related to your heart. This is how amazing it is. So everything get together. Control sweat and regulate body temperature. Support joy, emotional expression, and connection. So this is the chakra. If person disconnected and he can, remember we have, I can't say any names because it's in the video, but remember people come in, like your client, the lady you've been constantly work, she been emotionally unstable and crying all the time. and she's constantly like, oh, my pain in my back, and this is wasn't just a muscle pain. It's there was that emotion, and it's something stuck in her, and you to release that, it's need to be more deeper work. I don't say you have to cross your boundary, but you can at least you can help this kind of people, working on those points and help her out. Okay, next one, it's symptoms of heart meridian imbalance. Very, very important. So physical sign. When you palpate the arm, palpate this chest area, it's very sensitive. Also, we have those points, very sensitive points. It's right on that T2, T2, T3. And it's right in here on the side of the spine. So if you touch that area, T2, T3, it's sensitive. It could be related to the heart meridian. Also, shortness of breath. See how people breathe. Remember, people stand up and I ask them to breathe. And most of the time, it's going to be like this. And that's already telling me something to start recover from that. Teach people how to breathe. Poor circulation, insomnia, or vivid dreams. So vivid dreams, some people even ask that kind of questions. You see vivid dreams, so you see a lot of dreams. Stuff like that. Like I said, it's just you learn. Speech issue. Next one, it's an emotional sign, anxiety or panic attack. Ask people if you experience a panic attack and work. Like 4 years ago, I went to the guy, and he's a computer guy, and he said, I have a panic attack every other day. Every other day. And he got that fear he's going to lose the job because something in the job happening. But I'm telling him, hey, you're smart, you're good, right? So we work on that. I mean, he get fired, yes, in the end. But he's create more anxiety. And I told him, you lose your energy, your life energy. You get emotionally unstable, and it can create more problem, physicals and everything. So he get fired, but in 2 weeks, he find a better job with better pay. So one door is shut down, another door is open. Exactly. So don't get too stressed about it. The God and universe will support you. If you keep moving, if you try to be best, if you love what you're doing, yes, if you love what you're doing, if you keep your positive thinking, it's always bring you to that spot. And it's many, many examples. People come in, hey, I get fired. Oh, it's fine, and I'm gonna go take a break. In 3 weeks, he went to the vacation. He go enjoy and come back, and he gets a new job, new opportunity, better than it was. Exactly, or he finds something completely different. He start doing what he's love. That chocolate story. I love that. Tell the chocolate story. When lady, she's doing bookkeeping, and she hate that job. Her husband dumped her. They divorced. She lost the job. She tried to suicide herself. No point. I asked her, what do you love to do? She loved to cook chocolate. She started doing cook chocolate for all neighbors, started selling chocolate to neighbors, to the city. After she's opened her store, now she got 3 stores in Illinois and sell chocolate. And now she's remarried again. She's happy with what she's doing, and she's become rich. That's why always people say, do what you love and love what you're doing. And next one, emotional numbness, inability. This is a little bit more deeper. It's like more to psychology. Okay, muscle testing. It's only one muscle. It's a subscapular. So if people get that subscapular pain, you can test that subscapular. I'll show you the test right now. So yeah, it could be that disbalance. So let's keep this for now. If the muscle strong, test heart meridian balance. If this weak, it's a drop. It's something going on with the heart condition is good. No, it's not good. And definitely point it out to go to the doctor. Like, hey, go to cardiologist, do some cardiology, or start doing some more nutrition for your heart. This is not cross scope of practice. you just say, hey, I do some muscle testing, and it looks like your heart meridian, the heart muscle is not good. Okay, so let's do this test. So who's gonna come in? David, come in. Come over here. So it's very easy test. It's super easy test. For the sport test, it's called bear hug. So bear hug. The person is placing up here. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to separate it and pull it out. Try. He's so strong. I can't even do it. God damn it!
You want me to pull it out?
Yeah, no, just like that. So I pull it out and he resisted. So resist me. Oh wow, he don't have any problem with the heart.
No.
Yeah, this have to be on the left side. I forgot. So you test this one, this side. So here we go, and it's strong. It's very good.
Mhm.
This is the sport. If people get that very easy, the arm is coming up and it's pain. That's a subscapular heavy muscle tear. It's another test. You can turn around. This is called bear hug test. This one is called special test. So you bring this arm up here, and you see you hold it like this, support that shoulder, and all you do is try to separate, and he push towards the body. So go ahead. Very strong. Any pain?
No.
No. So if people weak and pain, that means subscapular muscle being compromised and something going on up there. So what we're going to do, you go ahead, lay down. So, and this is face up, yeah. This is that applied kinesiology test. So you come in up here, you calm that arm, support that shoulder, get that angle, and start push it down. He resist, and very strong. That's it. That's all about. So how easy hard meridian. What I want to talk about is this pressure points. I'm gonna watch the video, the book. So the pinky, remember the pinky? This is very important. That's the spot. It's called the heart 9. The heart 9. It's on the pinky. So even massaging that pinky, people can see some like difference. Remember when I went to the school, they always kind of hook you up with this like trick points. Like what's that? I forgot the point. That great relief point. So I came to massage school. This is how they hook me up. So I come in and he's like, "Do you have a headache?" And I'm like, "No, sometimes." Like he said, "Here." I say, "Yes, sometimes." When I wake up in the morning. So he started massaging here, and I feel pulsation here. Toom, 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 toom. And I'm like, "Wow, it's so cool. I want to do the same thing." And after I walk out, I come to all my friends. Hey, give me your hands. And like, what are you doing? Whoa, I feel it in my head. So this is how they hook you up. That's how they get the students in the school. So something cool. So you learn those kind of cool stuff. Show your customers, and you will always get them. Like remember the jaw scratching. If I scratch his jaw with a tool with gua sha, his leg is coming up. Like remember, his leg is not come like 30, 40 degrees. We scratch that masseter muscle, his leg comes up. Even that neurotraining, you do neurotraining, you look at this, and people do some crazy stuff. And this is how people love weird stuff. So use those weird stuff in your practice. That's why that pinky, it's really cool stuff. The people might feel it. The next one, it's an important point. It's heart 3, and it's right on that elbow. So it's outside the elbow, right in here. And like I said, if you feel that you touch it, sometimes it's really sensitive. So this is the point. This is exactly where that has a feel right there. You feel that? Yeah. And if you want to deeper learn those points, of course, you go specific class, and you will find out. I will put this the points right here in the video so you can guys practice. Practice, make it perfect.
But it would hurt if they had a problem.
Yeah, if this is the pain points, release pain. Yeah, it means something going on up there. Most of the time, it's going to be probably the tennis elbow or butt. It's also can heart. So I'm not going to be work only on the elbow, tennis elbow. I'm going to also work on that heart meridian and see how they're going to go. Okay. So also liver one, it's on your big toes. Inside your big toe. So if I'm, like I said, I put this right in here and you guys can watch those. Also sensitive spots in the front between your rib 2 and 3, rib 2 and 3 on your sternum. So this is the clavicle, first rib up here, second and third. And right on the side of the sternum, the skeleton is up there, but that's fine. So the sternum on the side, you feel that groove? Touch 2 points right there. And that's sometimes very sensitive. Also, it's a xiphoid process. So every time when people like experience something going on, they always doing this, right? Like scared or something. So that's because this heart, because like, oh, my heart is go to my heels, right? Like сердце ушло в пятки. That's why they saying that. It's everything is related. It just we kind of forget about all that stuff. So that's truly healing to work on those points, the sternum, also in the back of your T2, T3 in the back. And yes, so this is about the points. This is about the points. If you guys want to learn more, if you want to get that points, it's a touch of health. Also, we have that big poster right there. And neurovascular point. Neurovascular point, very interesting point. When we born, when we get baby, this the two bones right here, right, in our skull, it's a thing. It's no bone up there. Even right now, if you touch it, right, that spot right here, it's kind of like very soft. Yeah, this is how we connect to the Atman. This is how we connect to space. So they believe the Mother Earth, it's a Maya, it's a mother. That's why we go back to the mother, and our Father is connecting to us. And that's why when you drink alcohol, you do drugs, you break that point. So you disconnect yourself. You disconnect from your spirit, and that's the key to not do that. So that spot is really cool to massage. It's a 16 points on your skull, which is related to your organs, related to your body. If you learn that points, you can also use this for your clients. Let's say stress, you know those points, you work on those points, and that book is right in here. So all those information is here. Do not take it home because I'm tired to search my books. Yeah, especially that $400 book I'm crying. I'm still didn't find who. I mean, I guess who. This is all points, like a bladder, liver, large. And it's right in here. The heart, number 4, on the top of your head. Yeah, that's about it for